Alright guys, so now that we have the fuel pump out, we're gonna go ahead and remove the arm for your fuel pump gauge. The reason I've got to remove that, so that way it's not in the way. Now this probably is going to be similar to what you're going to be doing at home. Most everybody is just going to do it in the back of a tailgate. So what we got to do is we got to start removing some of this stuff on the bottom. Let me get my flathead and pop this out. Alright, this is a really bad sign. Look at all that crud. Alright, so that's probably something that contributed to a bad fuel pump. There's even a leaf in there. That's not good. There's a lot of junk in there, I can already tell. Now we got clips on the side, right here, and on the other side. We're gonna try to pry those out. Okay, we got a little bit of movement. Okay, so we've got to pop these out, all right? There is a plug in here. We've got to pull that out. Now, I looked up the fuel pump. The fuel pump that I bought is a 355 LP. I think it's called H. So that's what that is. Now, it's supposed to be a Chevy pump, but I think they're all the same. All right. We got this out. We got this out. All right, so moment of truth. Look how much sand and crud is in there. Now, this is a brand new pump. And this is, I'm just amazed. Wow. Can you believe all that sand in there? Oh, that's a lot of junk in this pump. And I cleaned the tank out, guys. I cleaned it out because I had to put a new tank in it. Wow. I can't believe this. Look how dirty it is on the inside. Wow. Let's see if we can remove some of this stuff here. Boy, I don't... How'd you get that out? It's like pressed in there. Like really good, actually. Look at this. So it went down quite a bit. I got it out. Alright, so we have, this is the new pump. Let's just take a look at some of this stuff. Let's just get this plug out of here. Take a look at this plug. Now the plugs are identical. 100% identical. Yeah, look at that. Identical plugs, so we can use the original one. Just gonna see if that's fitting in there pretty good. Somehow because the pump has to be held in there. It can't, it can sit in there, but something has to be holding it as well. So it's pretty tight in there. So I'm wondering if I can make this just in. Okay, so after 35 minutes of messing around with it, I ended up making slots in here and right here. Then I put this heater hose clamp on it, and now the pump, it will never come out. Okay, so that's what we did. That's how we're going about this kind of business. All right, so the next step is we're gonna go and clean all of this out. I'll be right back. All right, so after 150 tries, we've got our pump, we've got this thing, we've made a hole in the bottom of it, we cleaned it up again. We're gonna try to, oh god. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look like. That'll be great. Right there. That's gonna be great. Let's see if we can plug this in. Okay, so plugging this in. Now I didn't need to use any of their clamps because that went on really tight. This one went on really tight. So I think that'll work, guys. That in there, put that in there. Okay, so they did provide a couple of zip ties, and I think this is what I want to do is, okay, all right, I'm pretty happy with that. So let's see. What's going on? We're gonna turn it on and we're gonna see if the return line brings any fuel. Oh god. Okay. Lots of fuel. Alright, that was great, guys. That fuel is cold. Alright, I'll try it again. Oh yeah, that thing is working, and it's working healthy. Alright, this is great. Very good. Okay, so that's off. Let's get this test. Test plug. Let's plug the new plug in. Alright, got that. I just want to fix this power really quick. We'll fix that. And we'll crimp it. We'll be right back. Battery back on. We're gonna try to start it. Okay. Let's get our pressure gauge. I want to check my pressure as I started. Got the pressure gauge right here. Let me set you guys up. Okay. This is the pressure gauge right here. Let's see if we can just get it on here. Yeah, looks like we got pressure. Alright, so right now it's at 0. All I'm gonna do is prime the pump. That's the first time we primed the pump. We are at 51 psi. 50. It is going down, so I don't know what that is or why it's going down, but it is going down. Not a lot. We lost about 2 psi. Well, okay. So we're gonna try to start it. Oh yeah, this thing is running really, really good.